Okay, good evening, welcome to
Monster Math task number 14.
Okay, so usually you do Monster Math and usually you do Math Task, but we're going to combine them tonight into one cool problem I saw on Twitter today. And the question is to see the pattern here, what's going on, and how can we calculate the next couple of layers. So the first one has 6, the next one has 19, and the next one has 44. And we want to talk about some of the patterns we're seeing and how we might extend this.
Well, we could look at what we're adding, maybe. Shooting 13 to get to the second one. Then you're adding 25 to get to the third one.
Okay. All right, those numbers in up here just so we don't forget them. So this was plus 13, and this was plus 25.
Well, I noticed that 25 is 13 times 2 minus 1.
Okay.
So that could be the pattern for adding them, but we don't really have enough to make sure. Like, this could be the pattern for how many squares the new layer has.
All right.
Well, if you kind of imagine the next layer, it would go 5 diagonally, so 5 and then 1, 5.
Well, but I'm thinking that might be special because you're starting, if you just look at actually the exact first case, which is just this one yellow one, then you're adding 5, but 5 times 2 minus 1 is not 13.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so you're saying we actually can start before this. I guess can you just double check that this is on screen?
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
so 1 it goes plus 5, then plus 13, plus 25. Okay. Cool.
So
So the pattern actually starts even earlier. So that's actually really, that's a cool thing to notice.
So what else? So we're at 5, then we had 13, and we had 25.
Well, I haven't really seen that said. Well, 5 and 13 are both of the Fibonacci numbers, but
Yeah, that's true.
Not 25.
it doesn't look like they're going to appear here.
Let's see.
Well, how could we try to form the next 2 layers? Or actually just the next layer. Well, it would just be sort of a square with 4 of these to a side, but not really a square. So they're sort of pointed diagonally.
We could try to make it.
Do you want it?
Okay.
Okay, and just tell me what you think it's going to look like one more time.
Well, I think it's going to, you're going to have squares that look like this, that they're tilted diagonally.
Uh-huh.
You're going to have 5 of them in a square shape pattern.
Okay,
5
last
of
time
them
you
to a
said
side.
4.
Whoops, no, it's 5.
Okay. All right. Well, if you want to make it, go ahead. We'll do that with the camera off.